Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna tell you about how you can remove app lock in your Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to just remove the app lock from the security app. First you have to go to your security app, then you have to just simply scroll down and you can see here it is app lock. Tap on it, enable the password, and you can see here it is the settings, or you can just remove it by here it is one app is locked. To remove it you have to just click on this and WhatsApp is removed. You can see it is opening directly. You no need to have to put the password to open the WhatsApp. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.